A very good morning to all of you and welcome back to our channel Study Adda. So as you know, today is 30th June, the last day of this month, and half of the 2020 dates end here. So hope that the remaining half of this 2020 would go in a positive direction. So with this hope, let's start with the today's important 16 current affairs for today. And here is the first question for you. Which Indian umpire has been inducted recently in the International Cricket Council ICC Elite Panel of Umpires? So the right answer for this is Nitin Menon. Option D, Nitin Menon. He will replace England's Nigel Long and he will become the third Indian to make it to the prestigious panel after former captain and umpire Srinivas Venkatraman and Sundaram Ravi. Next. Which union minister launched Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan web portal? And this has been launched by Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar. Option C, Narendra Singh Tomar is the right answer. Rupees 50,000 crore has been allocated for this project, under which employment opportunities. You must be knowing that Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan has been much in news recently. But what is this project all about? It will provide employment opportunities to the returning migrant workers at their native places only. Coming to the next question. Michael Martin has become the new Prime Minister of which country? So the right answer for this is Ireland. Option A, Ireland. Dublin is the capital of Ireland and euro is the currency. Next. Recently, United Nations honored which state health minister, KK Selja, for her efforts to fight the coronavirus pandemic in her state? And the right answer for this is, as you can see, option B, Kerala. Kerala, which recorded India's first coronavirus crisis, has been now successful in controlling the pandemic and is now at 18th position in India in the coronavirus chart of number of patients and cases. Next, who chaired the 49th Governing Council meeting of National Productivity Council NPC? So the right answer for this is, this has been chaired by Piyush Goyal, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal. Option C. Next, which becomes the first country to control locust through drones? So drones have been very helpful for this country in controlling the locust. And we'll be also discussing in brief that what is this locust all about and from where it came. But before that, the right answer for this is India. Option A, India is the right answer. Agriculture Ministry has indigenously developed a vehicle mounted ultra low volume ULV sprayer for locust control, which is a crop threatening migratory pest. This locust is a crop threatening migratory pest that entered the country through the India-Pakistan border and affected mostly Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, Gujarat states, including Maharashtra. Next, who has tied up with ICICI Bank on UPI multi-bank model? So here the right answer is PhonePe. Option D, PhonePe. And you must know the headquarters of PhonePe is in Bengaluru and the headquarters of ICICI Bank is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, when is National Statistics Day celebrated in India? So this is celebrated on 29th June in India. Option C, 29th June is the right answer for National Statistics Day. Now let's know why it is celebrated. The day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of father of Indian statistics, Prashanto Chandra Mahalanobis. Next, Government of India on 29th June banned how many Chinese apps including TikTok, UC browser, WeChat, etc. So this news was very viral last night and the right answer for this is, as you know, 59. Option D, 59. Now let's know about this process of getting ban of these Chinese apps. The ban has been enforced under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act 2000. The government's notification is to be instructed to the internet service providers to block these apps. This will be the first step by the government to notify the internet service providers to block these Chinese apps. Users are likely to soon see a message saying access to the apps has been restricted on the request of the government. And this type of pop-up you can see in those apps which requires internet. And in some Chinese apps, out of those 59 apps, you might be able to use those apps which does not require internet. You might be able to use which does not require internet. But yes, further, no new users will be able to download it from the Play Store or iPhone Apple Store. And this is also the point here that further downloads of any of these 59 apps like Tram Scanner, any one of these are to be blocked on Google's Play Store as well as Apple's App Store. So this is how the ban will be conducted or be placed. Next, India signed a concession agreement with which country for Pholonchu hydroelectric project? So the right answer for this is Bhutan. Option B, Bhutan. The Tala hydroelectric project is the largest hydropower project in Bhutan with 1020 megawatt. Next, which government to set up first plasma bank in India? So this first plasma bank in India is to be set up in Delhi at Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences ILBS in Delhi. Now, a few points about plasma donation. This plasma donation does not cause any weakness in an individual, and a person can donate plasma again in a gap of 10 days. Next, which state will start Kill Corona campaign from 1st July 2020? And this is to be started by Madhya Pradesh government. Option B, Madhya Pradesh. And you also must have heard that since Lalji Tandon, the governor of Madhya Pradesh, is unwell and is going under treatment in Lucknow in his native place in UP. So Anandiben Patel has been given the additional charge of governor of Madhya Pradesh. Anandiben Patel, additional charge of governor of Madhya Pradesh. Next, who launched world's largest plasma therapy trial under Project Platina? So this is important as well. And the right answer is Maharashtra. Option A, Maharashtra. And you must know the Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray of Shiv Sena. Next, World Bank Group approved how much amount under STARS program? And the right answer is USD 500 million. Option A, USD 500 million. STARS stands for Strengthening Teaching, Learning and Results for States program, and the 6 Indian states includes Rajasthan, Odisha, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Maharashtra. Next, which state develops India's first lichen park to conserve Jurassic era plant in Munsiar? So the right answer for this is option B, Uttarakhand. Option B, Uttarakhand. And the last question of the day here comes, and I request each one of you to please share and subscribe this channel if you are liking the initiative of this daily current affairs show and you are happy with the content which I am providing you daily in this current affairs video. So here comes the last question of the day of the month from current affairs. So which institute ranked top among Indian institute in the Young University Rankings 2020 released by Times Higher Education? And this has been topped by IIT Ropar in the Young University Rankings by Times Higher Education. Right answer is option D, IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar. So that's all from today's video. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay safe.